What's up, DIY Vrew? Today, I'm back with an epic masterpiece, a tree stump-shaped fish aquarium. So cool, so weird, and so perfect for your tiny garden corner. Let me sip some water to cool off. Let's build. First, I stack bricks to form the aquarium's base. Then sprinkle some sand to fill the gaps and pour cement over like a lake. Next, I build the aquarium's walls and plaster the inside with cement until it's shiny enough for a fish penthouse. I grab some broken bricks and piece them together to shape a trunk on the outside. Then I plaster cement all over and sculpt it into a trunk. Don't forget to smooth that base again. Aquarium done. Now it's waterfall time. I built the waterfall walls and plaster both sides in cement so it's strong and sleek. Then I shape the waterfall that same tree trunk look to match the aquarium. Matchy-matchy perfection. After 24 hours of drying, I drilled a hole and installed a PVC pipe. Then I set the waterfall on top of the aquarium. I place concrete slab as the rooftop deck for our little dream house above the aquarium. I build a border and plaster it with cement to make a base for a decorative house model. Install the waterfall spout. Construction's done. Time to decorate. I paint the aquarium and waterfall exterior with a rich brown. Then I add some yellow paint for sunny pops of color. Gotta make it shine. Install the water pump. Fill the aquarium and let it soak for 5 days. After 5 days, I drain the water. I add filter media to the filtration system and scatter gravel at the bottom. It's like a mini beach paradise. Decorate the surroundings to make everything extra dreamy. Fill it up again with fresh water. Finally, release the fish into their new house. And just like that, a forgotten garden corner turned into a mini tropical forest starring this one-of-a-kind tree stump fish aquarium. What do you think, fam? Drop a comment and follow along for more wild DIY adventures with yours truly. Thanks a ton for sticking with me through this quirky little build. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my weird, wonderful, and totally unique DIY ideas. See you in the next one!